Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay.
Look, I know it never works for anyone, but do you want to try long distance?
Yes. Yes. Oh,
We can beat the odds.
Schmuds.
It's gonna work. We're gonna make it work. It'll work.
It didn't work. Long distance was and is a terrible idea.
Why?
A really terrible idea. Just awful. But more on that later.
Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year.
Hey guys, Susie here. So as you know, I'm in a long distance relationship. Yep, I have a boyfriend. Long distance isn't easy, but it's definitely doable. When I'm not with Mr. Hong Kong guy, I focus on my job. I teach English to elementary students, and I have a blast with them.
But I don't have a crush on him.
She's in love with him. He's ugly. I like her
Why?
because she's kind and she's pretty. This is Miss Susie. So, don't make her cry. Stop making my baby cry. Whoever you are.
Oh my gosh, they're so adorable. After work, I usually have dinner with my coworkers. And guess what? The topic is always about Mr. Hong Kong guy and my plans to move to Hong Kong.
Have you been to Hong Kong? No?
Is there any job that involves Korea in Hong Kong?
They do. But then they want like local people. So I don't know. I have to look for more jobs, but at this moment it's too difficult. I might have to wait a little bit.
Manifest.
Yeah. Someday, maybe the universe will send me to Hong Kong. Okay, so if I go to Hong Kong, you can come.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go.
It could be your first Hong Kong trip.
Yeah. I'll buy the cheapest plane ticket and spend all my money on hotel.
Yeah, and in Hong Kong, you have to get a really nice hotel. So because like it's like really good or really crappy.
I really like my job and the company I work for. They even get us Thanksgiving food for the American holiday since there are a lot of native teachers. Thinking about leaving for Hong Kong someday makes me sad because I genuinely enjoy my work here.
What is this?
You're sticking your chin out. No, don't put your head. Like, you're just making your chin look long way. Find your angle. Oh, that's okay. That's okay.
Then I have to talk like this. I can't talk to the camera.
Just doing like selfie.
I'm like, hi guys, it's Susie here. How are you doing?
I still go to clubs sometimes, but it's not as fun anymore. I just don't want to risk any problems that can come from drinking since I'm in a long-distance relationship. Besides, I would much rather stay home and video chat with Mr. Hong Kong guy. That's way more fun.
I had 2 sandwiches today.
Which means you didn't have your dinner?
No, one was like for lunch and one was for dinner, so I had dinner.
Of course, I video chat with Mr. Hong Kong guy. Not too often though. because if we do it too much, we'll run out of things to talk about. I think that's the key to keeping our relationship strong. We like each other a lot, but balance is crucial. And I sometimes meet my biker friends and go for rides on my Harley or just ride around by myself. I also tried this awesome off-road biking experience, but I suck at it. It was still a lot of fun.
I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the daytime.
Oh my gosh, I fell down so much. Staying busy with work and everything else, I didn't even notice that winter had suddenly arrived in Korea. It's freezing! I spent most of my time hanging out with my friend Robin. You should know her by now. She's my best friend who went to Hong Kong with me last year, so she knows everything about me and Mr. Hong Kong guy. We go to nice restaurants, usually places I would go with Mr. Hong Kong guy if he was in Korea. I really miss him. Anyways, we hung out around Shinsa Station, went to a pie shop with a nice Christmassy vibe, and had unisoba at a Michelin restaurant nearby. It's one of my go-tos whenever I'm near Shinsa. I also do sleepovers. Before Christmas, I stayed at a friend's house, the one who went to Jeju Island with me. And now, it's Christmas Eve, and I'm with Robin. We went to Anguk Station and had dinner at a place called Salt House Craft Meats. Really delicious, and I love the vibe. And on Christmas, I spent my time alone at home watching TV. I felt sad and lonely, missing Mr. Hong Kong guy so much, but I have to be patient. Our company had a year-end gathering at a place called Tabum Brazil in Itaewon. It was my first time there, and as a meat lover, I loved it. I'm really thankful that I'm part of this company. It was so nice to hang out at a nice restaurant before the year-end holiday. But I couldn't go to the second round after dinner because tomorrow, I'm going to Hong Kong. I'm spending the end of the year and the New Year's with Mr. Hong Kong guy.